The Audi A6 e-tron is setting a new benchmark for safety and innovation in the electric vehicle market. This luxury electric sedan is not just about sleek design and cutting-edge technology, it is built to protect. The latest Euro New Car Assessment Program safety tests awarded it a 5-star rating, proving that Audi continues to prioritize safety without compromising on performance or style. One of the most impressive aspects of the Audi A6 e-tron is its exceptional safety scores. It earned 92% for adult occupant protection and 91% for child occupant protection, showcasing Audi's dedication to passenger security. The vehicle also achieved maximum points in the child occupant test, making it a top choice for families. Advanced driver assistance systems, including autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, and blind spot monitoring, ensure a safer driving experience in various conditions. Audi has a long history of excellence in safety, with previous A6 models receiving 5-star ratings in 2011 and 2018. The new electric version carries that legacy forward, integrating the latest crash protection technology and intelligent safety features. It is a perfect blend of performance, elegance, and state-of-the-art safety engineering. If you're looking for an electric vehicle that combines luxury with peace of mind, the Audi A6 e-tron is a solid contender. It proves that driving a stylish, high-performance car does not mean sacrificing safety. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest automotive innovations.